Do you want to have a place for your recorded video lessons and have your students access it anytime, anywhere? Even have other people learn from you? Start a YouTube channel now. Hello, my fellow educators. It's me once again, Elena, and welcome to my e-class invites, a channel dedicated to educate, to explore, and to empower through tips and how-tos for the new normal. If you're a subscriber, thanks again for checking out this video. If you're new here, please subscribe and click the notification bell to be updated of my uploads every week. This is a very special episode where I'll be sharing with you how I started my YouTube channel and guide you on this very easy process. As a teacher, we have many lessons or topics that we can share with our students. However, this pandemic forced us to work from home and still teach using various edtech tools available out there. But why record a video and post it on YouTube? I feel that this is one of the best ways to reach out to my students. I can still give them sort of a personal touch in doing recorded lessons and continue teaching them through online. They will feel a connection from you by watching your videos or just by hearing your voice through that video, because they know that they can easily reach out to you if ever they didn't understand the whole content on that video. Your subject matter specialization can already be considered as your niche. Your students or co-teachers too are already your target audience. You can even attract other people to watch if you have very engaging videos. These are two important factors when starting your own YouTube channel. Now that you have them both, let's go and start your channel now. Before I guide you on how to set up your YouTube channel and you find value on this video, don't forget to hit subscribe and click that notification bell. So how do you start your own YouTube channel? Go to google.com and sign in your account. Once you signed in, go to Google Apps and look for the YouTube app. On your channel, go to the menu and look for settings. Create a channel. You will be asked to type your channel name, then create channel. Once you create your channel, you can already upload your videos by clicking this icon, upload video. Easy peasy, right? Now that you have your channel, start recording your videos. Don't overthink by making it too perfect. Just be you. You'll get used to it along the way every time you upload. Remember that practice makes progress. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you are encouraged to start your own channel or if you want to learn more about this topic. Don't leave because there are still videos you can watch by clicking them on the left side of this screen. Always remember to make every choice better. See you again next week.